Hello, I'm Jeremy with Intelligence. I want to talk with you about how we can help companies in the discrete manufacturing and industry move their ERP platform to SAP S/4HANA quickly and cost-effectively. Many companies in the discrete manufacturing industry think that state-of-the-art ERP systems are completely out of their reach. Why is this? Because traditional ERP implementations often require a substantial investment of time, budget, and resources that many discrete manufacturing companies can't afford. However, this doesn't have to be your reality. Intelligence offers a prepackaged solution that addresses process inclusive of logistics and financials, as well as discrete manufacturing needs, including make-to-stock, make-to-order, engineer-to-order, and project-based manufacturing, as well as serialization of field and depot service management. The solution, it.manufacturing, is an SAP Qualified Partner-Packaged Solution built to scale on the digital core SAP S/4HANA. it.manufacturing is a state-of-the-art ERP solution that costs less than traditional ERP, is quicker to deploy, and requires fewer internal resources to get your business up and running digitally and in real time. So why should you make the move now? The shift towards digital transformation is putting pressure on companies to standardize, globalize, and establish metrics that were previously near impossible to measure or predict. Customers and employees are requiring the companies they work with and for to move from systems of record to a hub that transforms their experience by enabling them to interact with the parts of the business most important to them and in real time. So why should you work with Intelligence? We're a global SAP Platinum partner with over 25 years of experience. In fact, unlike other IT partners, we're all SAP all the time. We know your path towards digital transformation is just as unique as your company. And that's why you need a partner who knows SAP software inside and out and has deep industry expertise to address your specific business needs. Our industry solutions were built as a result of knowledge learned over time. And we've poured that knowledge into our pre-configured S/4HANA industry solutions that enable your organization to quickly achieve the business results you need. And our relationship doesn't stop when you go live. Our consultants are committed to the long-term success of your business and will continue to work with you and your teams to ensure that they are properly trained and equipped to handle any post-go-live challenges. Long-term, if you need to outsource some or all of your SAP application support, our SAP Application Management Services team can become an extension of your organization by helping you to run your SAP solutions and work with you to innovate and explore new business models and possibilities within your new digital core. Contact us today to learn more.